Today we are going to learn how to create a comic using Pixton. I am showing you the very basics because if you look at this help button down here, you could get very specific information on what you can do with your comic. Also, we've used it last year, so many of you know how to use it. If this is your first time using it, you're going to click on Login. The login is on the paper that I gave you. It's One Pride, and the password is also on the paper that I gave you, called Notes. Click on Login, and you'll see all the comics we already started. I started one. Notice I put my homeroom, my partner's name, and my name. And I also put what our comic is about, which is digital citizenship. If I wanted to create a new comic, I would easily click on the pencil, click Create New, select under Comic. I could do a basic, where I just do the background characters and type the text, or I could go advanced and create each panel with maximum control. I have done both. I suggest you try both because this one will help you understand the program a little more. I think you have a little more fun in advanced than in basic, but the one that I just showed you, I did in basic. You're going to click select. I want this to take place in a school, so instead of looking through all the backgrounds, I'm going to type the word school and search. And now it makes it easier to find a background I like. I would like this to take place in the hallway, so I'm going to click the hallway. I would like it to take place with two characters this time, and I'm going to pick her, and I'm going to pick him. And it's going to take a little while to load. You have to wait. You'll see the bar come across. Right, and this is where you're going to enter your homeroom number, you and your partner's name, and whether you're doing digital netiquette or digital citizenship or netiquette. So we're going to do a netiquette one this time. I'm going to put my homeroom is 405. Yes, I know that doesn't exist. And I am going to put my name and my partner's name. And I'm going to put N for netiquette, N-E-T for netiquette. That way I know which one it is. Now I'm already in the hallway. I'm just going to type the text right here. Did you send me a nasty comment on my video? Question. Yeah. I thought your video was mean to girls! Exclamation point. Now we could enter some of the facts. A fact could be, you shouldn't start rumors online, or you shouldn't leave mean comments online, right? Because they don't go away. So this is when you can insert your fact. That comment you left will never go away. Even if I delete it. And we could start off with, I never meant to hurt your feelings. And you can move it over and do other things with it. If you double click and drag, that'll help move it over. Pretty sure. Alrighty, it's not working today, but trust me, there it goes. Click and drag. So you could actually move it over. And you can continue to have this conversation keep going by adding plus signs. You can make it closer, further away, figure out all those things. Once you're done, you are going to save and submit. You are going to keep your title. You are going to submit now. Then you are going to email it to me once you have completed it. And you will click in here, chall@camdencsn.org, and continue. Message this call and Mr. K have completed the assignment. Period. Please print a version for us. Yes, if you want a printout of your comic, you need to ask for it in a complete sentence, and I will gladly give it to you. I click send now, and it says message sent, and that's how you know you sent your message. Also, you could check with me. Miss Hall usually has up her email. If you have me check my email, you will see that your link popped up. Also, try to make sure you save it as your name, and your link will pop up and Miss Hall will be able to print. Alrighty, good luck.